Assalamu alaikum students of class metric. Today I am going to provide you notes of a visit chapter, which is 5th chapter of your English literature. Take out your copies and start writing the work. Question number 1: what is the name of machine working in their wheat field? And the answer is, the huge machine is called combine. Full stop. It cuts the crop and ties it into sheaves. With one sweep, it seemed to eat up a large area of golden crops which came out tied into bundle at the other end. Second question: what does a thresher do? Question mark. From the combine, the wheat goes into a thresher. The thresher separates the grain from the chaff. Full stop. From one end of the machine falls a golden rain of sweet smelling wheat, while chaff flows out at the other end. Question number 3. Why were Mrs. Ahmed student excited? And the answer is, they were excited about the visit to farm. They were to go to a model agricultural farm by bus. Mrs. Ahmed had arranged the visit with Mrs. Hassan, the manager of the farm. Full stop. Question number 4. What surprised the boy when they reached the model farm? And the answer is, the boys had never been to a farm before. Full stop. They had no idea that an agricultural farm could be so large and interesting. Full stop. Naturally, the boys were surprised to see such a big farm. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. How much work can one man do on the machine? And the answer is, one man working with this machine can do as much work 100 men working without it. This is the modern method of agriculture for getting bigger crops. Question number 6. What is the average produce from an agricultural farm? And the answer is, an average farm produces 15 to 20 quintals of wheat for every acre. The model farm produces as much 60 to 70 quintals. The model farm produces 3 to 4 times as much wheat per acre as an ordinary farm does. Question number 7. What is the difference in the output of the two? Answer: the difference in the output of the two is due to usage of modern machines and farming method. The tractor plow deeper, sowing machine sows the seed, and chemical fertilizer enrich the soil. Best seed are selected and no seed goes waste. Plentiful water is used to irrigate the fields. Question number 8. What does they do to kill germs and insect? Question mark. And the answer is insecticides are sprayed on the crops to kill harmful insect and germs. The trunk of the tree are washed with lime. The ground is kept clear from weeds and wild grasses. Question number 9. What do they grow on model farm? Question mark. They grow wheat, maize, cotton, sugarcane and gram. They also grow fruits like mangoes and oranges. Question number 10. Why were the boys surprised on the model farm on vegetable farms? Answer: the boys were surprised to see growing there such vegetables as were out of season. Mr. Hassan explained that it was possible to grow all types of vegetables in all seasons. It only need plentiful water, chemical fertilizers and use of machinery. Now start with the next page. These are the fill in the blanks, okay? Number 1. Mr. Hassan was the manager of the farm. Underline Mr. Hassan. Second, the class visited the model farm in April. Underline the word April or write it down with your pointer, black pointer. Number 3, the dash was a huge machine, combine. Combine should be underlined. Number 4, the dash separates the grain from the chaff. Thresher is a blank. Number 5, a quintal equal to dash 100 kg. A model farm produces 60 to 70 quintals. So model farms should be underlined. Number 7, the boys were offered fresh tomatoes and cucumbers. Fresh tomatoes should be underlined. Number 8, green mangoes were hanging from the branches. Over here, green mangoes. Green mangoes should be underlined. Number 9, an electric milker would milk the animals in the dairy. And the animals should be underlined. Number 10, the trunk of mango trees were washed with dash with lime. Now start with the next page, RTC, which is the last topic of this lecture. Write it down with the black pointer, the text. It was the wheat harvesting season. The party saw a huge machine called the combine working in the vast wheat field. Question number 1.